Hey guys, it's Dana. Welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys how to detangle long, thick, curly hair. So here I have a 2-week-old wash and go. Yes, 2-week-old wash and go, and as you can see my hair is really matted and it's extremely dry and it just looks terrible. So I'm going to show you how to get your hair from looking like this to this without ripping out a ton of your hair. So I'm starting off by just sectioning my hair. I went ahead and sectioned it into 4 parts, and each part I'm just going to spray it with water and then add some olive oil and smooth that through my hair. This helps to add slip and makes the process easier. With each section I divided them into 2 and then work throughout each section. So I'm just feeling through my hair for any clumps of hair, and I'm just basically finger detangling, pulling apart each section. And once I feel comfortable or gotten rid of most of the clumps, then I go through my hair with a wide tooth comb, and I start from the tips of my hair all the way up to the roots. Then I just twist that section out of the way, then move on to another. While I'm combing through my hair, if there's any snagging or I feel any knots or anything, then I just stop and finger detangle and get rid of that knot instead of just combing out the knot and just ripping it out of my hair. I do that to make it kinda easier on my hair, so I don't have to tear out any of my hair or for the back section of my hair. The back section of my hair is really thick, so I have to go through this really thoroughly, and this part usually takes a longer time and requires more finger detangling. For the roots of my hair, they're usually more knotty than the ends after I comb through my hair, so what I usually do is try to run my fingers through the root of my hair wherever my hand stops. Then I just section out my hair or pull them apart, as you can see. Then I just comb through as usual and twist out of the way. So that's a really easy, simple way of detangling your hair without damaging your hair and tearing out too much of your hair. This is the amount of hair that I lost during the whole process, and usually before I started detangling my hair this way, I usually lose like 5 times this amount, so it really helps. I hope you guys learned something and enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah.